Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good
I'm good
morning. How are
too.
you?
I'm good too. So something is written on the board. Can you read it out?
Yes, sir.
Revision game.
Revision day.
No, no, game is not written. Game is written.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir. Revision.
No.
Yes.
Revision writing.
Revision.
Yes.
Revision. Hold on. Revision test is written. No.
Revision
No,
game.
sir. Revision game is written. We can read it.
Game. Yes,
But
sir.
girls in the girls class, I don't want to play the game. Can I erase?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. You give that.
Okay. Mute your mic, everyone. Thank you for responding me. Everyone's mic should be mute if you want to really play the game and if you really want to have the revision properly because today is your which exam in the late
English
evening.
exam. English grammar.
No, English grammar. There you are. So people try to revise with a game, right? And here it is like, see, today I'll come to know how much do you know. In the boys' side, we played the game and the four people were winners. And those four will get a good present once the school starts. And Alhamdulillah, the school is going to start within few, I should say, weeks. People are saying that. We do not know what is the current situation by the government. Anyway, let's get started with the game. So today in this game, let me explain you the rules first of all. I'm going to write the name and the marks as we usually do, right? I will repeat the question two times. Now, question can be from 9 lesson or 10 lesson anywhere. You have to keep the rough book with you. What do you have to keep with you?
Rough book.
Rough book. Rough book.
Quickly take out your rough book, give the heading today, date you have to write, revision game you have to write, and then in the brackets you have to write English lesson 9 and 10. Come on, quickly give the heading.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Mute your mic properly. Don't say yes sir and no sir. This is no need. If there is no need, don't turn on because otherwise you will say sir screen is this and that. So for your convenience, please keep it off. And once you write, once you give the heading, if you're ready, just say, sir, I'm ready, and your name.
Yes, sir. Ready, Muskan.
Great. 5G speed.
Sir, I am ready, Mahdin. Sir, I
4G
am ready,
speed.
Tatsya. Sir, I am ready.
Okay, okay. Great. So, we are waiting for the other students to get ready, those who are not yet ready. And please make sure I will only repeat the question two times. And then I will start counting. You will get only and only 5 seconds to give your answer. And half marks will be for what you answer. And other half part of the marks section will be for how you explain the answer. That means in this game, I will not only ask the question and for the answer, that means I will even ask for the explanation of the answer. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Great
Yes,
stuff.
sir.
Okay, so here I have my markers which will write your scores
Excuse me.
and has my no, you're not excused. Thank you. Now, girls, what you have to do is you have to also write the name. You have to also write the marks. I will give the marks out of 5, which is according to me will be the score. You will write the marks of your friends, those who will answer me according to you. Now, unless I don't call your name out, you are requested to turn off your mic. That means to keep your mic mute. Now let us start the game because it will take a lot of time. And today, for this game, let me first see the group so that I can easily handle them and write the internal marks if someone is not answering me. Now, after recording started, those who left the group, for them, zero internal marks. Yes, Kulsum, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Kulsum, you are the host of this game today. You will help me out for calling out the names.
Okay, sir.
Great stuff. So, Kulsum, let us start with the game. Please call out first name.
Okay. Okay, sir. Tathir Fatima. Tathir Fatima.
Tathir Fatima. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Tathir Fatima, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Great stuff. Now, Tathir Fatima, your question is from give meanings. I will repeat question two times. I will give you 5 seconds to answer. Your question is give meaning of stamina. Give meaning of stamina and make the
Energy.
sentence on that. And make the sentence on that. Come on. One.
Energy.
Spelling. Two. Three.
Mary Kom. Uh, Mary Kom has good stamina.
Very good. But I asked you about the spelling. What is the spelling of energy? One.
Stamina.
Spelling of energy. One.
Energy.
Very good. So you are getting
4.
4.5 out of 5. Excellent. Great. Okay, Kulsum, another name.
Yes.
Girls are smart.
Sheikh Sheikh Mahrin. Sheikh Mahrin.
Yes, sir.
Sheikh Mehreen. Okay, Sheikh Mehreen, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your question is from fill in the blanks.
Okay.
Listen to me very carefully. In Kho, only dash members can play at a time. In Kho, only dash members can play at a time. The
9.
time starts now.
9.
One. Now explain me. In Kho, 9 members can play at a time. Explain this statement in your words, but in
Means,
English language.
means that in a Coco at the time means at the time if we are playing so at the time only 9 players can play.
Have you done with the explanation? Okay. Your explanation was half. You should say in Coco, actually 12 members are there, but only 9 can play at a time. Right?
Yes, sir.
So 4 out of 5, but still it is very good. Great. Keep it up. Okay. Next name, Kulsum.
Yes, sir. Rehan Ganyani. Rehan Ganyani.
What is her name? Ganiani?
Taiba Ganyani.
If Taiba is not answering, we have to put 0, unfortunately. Last call. Taiba Ganiani, if you are not answering, you will have to put 0 here. We have called you 5 times, better. Okay. Kulsum, unfortunately, she is not able to answer. Please call out another name.
Okay, sir. Raujani Insha.
Yes, sir.
Rauzan India, first of all, sit at some silent place. There should be no kind of disturbance from your background.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So your question is fill in the blanks. Listen to me very carefully, or I will only repeat 2 times. Thoda requires the skill of dash. Thoda requires the skill of dash. Your time starts now. 1.
Sir, because of network issue, your voice was breaking. Can you repeat?
Thoda requires the skill of dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not able to answer? Sorry. I will give you 0.5 because you just answered me. Little bit. That means you do not know the answer.
Sir, I don't understand the question.
You don't understand the question after repeating 3 times. Actually, the rule of the game is to repeat the question only 2 times. Now, if there is a noise in your background and if you cannot sit in a silent room, that is not my fault. Still, I repeated the question 3 times for you and I waited for 5 seconds more. What do I do then? Shall I stay here for 15 minutes for you? That is not possible, no, beta? Because you said, sir, can you repeat? I repeated the question.
Okay, sir.
Answer is archery. Anyway, archery. Archery means bow and arrow. Kulsum, another name.
Yes, sir. Sirat Fatima Vakil. Sirat Fatima Vakil.
Okay. Vakil Fatima, if you do not answer, unfortunately, we have to keep 0 marks. I repeat the last time, Sirat Fatima Vakil. Okay. Other name, Kulsum, unfortunately, you have to call.
Yes, sir. Firoz Malkani. Firoz Malkani.
What is the name?
Sir, I don't know. She is joining from Firoz Malkan.
Humaira Malkan.
Hmm?
Humaira Malkani.
Humaira Malkani, are you there? Humaira Malkani. Humaira Malkani. Okay, the last time I'm calling you, Humaira Malkani. Unfortunately, we'll have to put 0. Sorry if she's not answering. Yeah, another name, Kulsum.
Yes, sir. Aisha Malkani. Juren Malkan.
Yes, sir.
What is her name? No, Malkani.
Malik Faiza.
She said Malkani.
सर वो बाद में उरेन मलिक आने उरेन मलिक बोली.
Oh wow. Give me the name again. Malek.
Faiza.
Okay, Malek Faiza, are you ready for the question?
Yes, sir.
Your question is from the question and answer. Okay.
Okay.
Question is, what does Malakkam means? What does
What?
Malakkam mean? Your time start now. One, two.
The word Malakkan or Malakkan means world and Khan means to a pole. So the name means a watering pole.
Explain me answer. You are looking into the book and reading
The
because you
word
do not know how to read. Yes,
the
the
word
word.
Malak
It is not
the word
word. It is word.
the word Malakkan or Malak means a worldest. A Khan means a
Thank you. Mute your mic. So the word mala means a wrestler. Wrestler means fighter. Khamba means pole. So the word malakham means a wrestling pole. This is what it means. This is what the answer is. Yes, Kulsum, another name.
Alisha Musani. Alisha Musani.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Alisha, your question is um, give one word. Question is an area of a land with particular physical feature. An area of a land with particular physical feature. Your time starts now.
Um,
One,
mm,
two,
sir, can you give the hint?
no, three, four, five. Sorry, your time is up. Answer is terrain. This is what we revised just before 2 days. Terrain. You're asking for a hint in this game? Okay. Kulsum, another name, please.
Yes, sir. Sheikh Rayan. Sheikh Rayan.
What is her name?
Sir, she left.
What is her name?
Lubna.
Lubna.
Lubna is there.
Yes, sir.
Lubna, are you ready for the question?
Yes.
Give one word. To find and follow a path. To find and follow a path. Give one word. Your time starts now. One, two, 3, 4, and 5. So you do not know the answer? Answer is navigate. So when you find the path, when you follow that path, is called navigation, right? If you are aware of Google Map, you might be knowing this word. And we have even done this before 2 days in the revision work. So no issues. Kulsum, another name, please.
Siddhartha Danya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dania, your question is, let me find out proper question. Yeah, your question is from fill in the blanks. So actually the question is, Dash took Balto and the team on the nationwide tour. Dash took Balto and the team on the nationwide tour. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dania, what are you doing? Answer is Kasen. 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 Also another name, please.
Yes, sir. Urain Malik.
What is the name?
No, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Imran Malik. Imran Malik.
What is her
Yes, sir.
name?
Khadija Malkani.
Khadija Malkani.
Okay, Khadija, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Khadija, your question is fill in the blanks. The governor of Dash decided on an alternate route. The governor of Dash decided on an alternate route. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Answer is Alaska. Sorry, but you do not know the answer. And people, you are having the exam today, you're getting 0.5, 0.5. Actually, you get 0 for no answer. But I have kept the rule that who does not answer at all, for them I'm giving 0. Please prepare well, at least objectives, because maximum objectives are there. This will become hard for you, tough for you, because it's the final exam. Might be the papers you have to give written will be tough for you. Please prepare well. Yes, also another name.
Zoha Kadri. Zoha Kadri.
Yes, Zoha is there.
Sir, she is there, then left. I call out the name, no, that's why.
So Zoha has left.
Yes.
What do we do? Shall we wait for her to join? Is there network issue or anything else?
Sir, I don't know. I tell in message.
Usually it happens with her. She leaves the group now and then for the network issue.
Yes, sir. Sometimes.
What happened? Zoha is there.
No.
Sorry if she is not there. And she left the
Excuse me,
group, so we
sir.
can. Yes, who is this?
Alicia, can I speak?
Yes, Alicia.
Sir, now Panzois are not answering also.
No problem. But I have to keep dash because she left. I cannot take any decision. But that is equal to 0.5. She does not answer. Okay, cool. So another name.
Yeah, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I message Zoha. Zoha is typing my network issue is there.
What do we do, beta? Without answer, we cannot write the marks. Cool. So another name, please.
Aisha Malik.
Yes.
Your name is Malik Aisha only.
No, sir. My name is Malik Tahira.
Tahira. So Malik Tahira, your question. Are you ready for your question?
Yes, sir.
Your question is a person who enters the opponent's court. A person who enters the opponent's court. One, two. Come on, give one word. Two,
Yes, sir.
three, four, five. Sorry, beta, you
Sir,
are not able to
my
answer. What happened?
network issue.
See, no excuse, please. You are listening to my question very carefully.
Rohan sir, India is writing everyone marks in message.
Who is writing?
India. India.
Ignore, please ignore. Because I told you to write the marks in your book, not in the. But it's okay. At least they are connected to the group. They are mentally present in the group. This shows that. Okay. Kulsum, is there anyone left?
Sir,
Yes, Muskan Raujani.
yes, sir.
Let me write the name.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, Muskan. Your question is from question and answers.
Okay, sir.
How many players are there in Coco team?
Sir,
How
what?
many players are there? If you will stop speaking only then will you be able to hear me?
There are 12
What disturbance
players.
is there?
There are 12 players in two teams, but only 9 players can play.
If there is disturbance, I will write zero.
No, sir. There are 12 players in two teams, but only 9 members can play at a time.
Explain me this answer.
Yes, sir. There are 12 players in two teams, but at a time only 9 members can play.
This is not the explanation.
Sir, there are
Okay,
two.
time is over. Sorry. 3.5 out of 5. Good, but still it is good. 80%. Yeah, Kulsum, another name. Please mute your mic, all the other students.
Sir, all name is come.
All name has come. Okay, Kulsum, but your name is left, no?
Yes, sir.
So
Excuse me,
Alwani
sir.
Kulsum. No, wait a minute. I'm talking to Kulsum.
Yes, sir.
Alwani Kulsum. Okay, Alwani Kulsum. So your question is, um, how did Kabaddi get its name? How did Kabaddi get its name? Your time starts now. One.
Sir, repeat the question.
No. Two.
Kabaddi. Kabaddi got its name from the Tamil Nadu and meaning to hold hands.
Tam- Kabaddi got its name from the Tamil word kaitidi. And the meaning of the word kaitidi is to hold the hand. This is the answer. You spoke half answer. 2.5 out of 5. Okay, so let me highlight few winners. Okay, one, two, three. Three are the winners. And let me highlight the runner-up. Who are the runner-up? So this. Okay, these two are the runner-ups. So please clap for them. Turn on the mic and clap. So girls, now mute your mic. I want to give you one information. Important. Mute your mic properly and please pay attention here. See, today is the English paper we know. I have given you the column for name, for roll number and for the division. Everything is compulsory, but how? See, when you're writing your name, don't write anything. Huh? You write whatever you want. Write the surname first, and then your name, and then only the initial of your father, A, B, C, or X, whatever your father's name starts with that letter. That is called initial. So your surname should be first, then your name. Please make this thing very clear. Second, your roll number, write it very properly. If it is 7, you have to write 07. If it is 9, you have to write 09. And then division. You all are the girls, so your division will be 5th.
Fifth E.
Fifth E.
E value. Okay. Please write these things very very properly in the online test. So have a nice day. Goodbye, all of you. I'll
Goodbye,
see you in
Bye,
the
sir.
grade in
sir.
exam.
Goodbye. Goodbye, sir.
Bye,
Have a
sir.
nice
Nice
day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Have a great day.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a nice day.